Get ready.
Welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will be key mapping Project Bloodstrike using Flydigi Q1 and Flydigi Scorpion D1. So let's go! Let's start! So for our first key mapping, we will only do simple drag and drop. So open Flydigi app. So click new, drag the WASD button here on the movement icon, and let's save this first. Any file name you want, confirm, and open Flydigi app again. So the mouse will be here. So if you double click it, this is the sensitivity of your mouse. For me, my sensitivity will be number 10 or 11. It's really up to you. Confirm, and jump is here, crouch is here, right mouse click is the scope, left mouse click is the fire, R is reload, and previous button will be our skill. Save. So jump, crouch, scope, fire, crouch, and if you hold down the crouch button, it will prone or lie down. So if you want that, just go to gameplay, crouch mode, and you should click here, crouch prone. So for scope, I like it to hold the scope. Settings, basic, advanced. ADS mode is to hold. So when I press and hold the right mouse click, and if I release the right mouse click, there you go. To set the no recoil here in Project Bloodstrike, as you can see, there's a recoil. So in order to set the no recoil for Project Bloodstrike, open Flydigi app, edit, so you make button. So for no recoil, you should choose the left mouse click. So we have a 2 left mouse click here. So always put this no recoil button at the right side of the screen. So open this, choose FPS, auxiliary shoot. This is the no recoil sensitivity, so let's make it 2. And this is the sensitivity when you fire. So let's make this 10. Save. So if you press on the, if you fire or if you shoot, so vertical recoil is minimized to almost no recoil. So as you can see here, the vertical recoil is now 0. So for auto run, open Flydigi app, edit, make button. For my auto run is shift, double click, macro, edit, add 1 button, swipe up, swipe range is 63, and make this 0.5. Confirm, put this in the middle of the movement icon. Add another button, swipe up, swipe range is 63, and make this 0.5. Confirm, put this in the middle of the movement icon, and then save. Let's press the shift and it will run. So there you go. So for map and bag, so let's do map. Flydigi app, edit. So make button, any button you want. For me it's Q. Double click this and make this click instant. Confirm. Put this on the bag icon. Here is the bag icon. Save this first. Then open bag. Open Flydigi app. Edit. Make another Q. So this is click by release. Confirm. Put this on the X mark here, and let's make cursor. Q again, the final Q, fly mouse, and you should use press and hold to turn on. And this is the sensitivity of the cursor. Confirm. Put this on here. Save. Let's test it out. Press and hold letter Q. So you can to change weapon here. You can do the inventory stuff here. And if you want to make your bag interface disappear, just release the Q button or your bag button. So for the map, same process. Open Flydigi app, edit. My map is Z. Make this click instant, confirm. Put this on the map. Save this first. Open map. Open Flydigi app, edit. Make another button, letter Z. This time it should be click by release, confirm. Put this on the X icon here or the X marks, and let's make cursor Z again for our bag cursor. Fly mouse, press and hold to turn on. This is the sensitivity for the mouse, confirm. Put this on here. Save. So if you press and hold the letter Z for a map, there you go. You can mark here. And if you release this Z key or the map button, that happens. Or you can do this to your bag or map. So open Flydigi app, edit, Q for our bag. Make this click normal, confirm. Put this on the bag icon. Save this first. Open the bag icon. And open Flydigi app, edit. Make another Q. So click this, click normal again. Put this on the X icon here. Add another button, Q again. So it should be fly mouse. Click to open. This is the sensitivity of the cursor. Confirm. Put this on here. Put this where you want your cursor to appear. Save. Close this. So if you press once your bag key or your bag button, that happens, and you can do inventory stuff here. And if you press again the bag button, for me it's Q, that happens. You can do that to your bag and map. And also to here, airdrop shop. So let's key map the airdrop shop. So open Flydigi app, edit, make button for it, let's say B, instant, confirm, E, save. Open the airdrop shop, open Flydigi app again, edit. So another B again, click by release, confirm. Put this on the X icon here. It's okay to overlap this. Then another button for the cursor. So B, fly mouse, press and hold to turn on, confirm. Put this on here, or put this wherever you want your cursor to appear. Save. Close this. And if you press and hold the B, that happens. And if you release it, that happens. So for the cursor, there's two behavior of cursor. The one is you press it once, and the other is when you press and hold. Open Flydigi app, edit. Let's make it the middle mouse click. Open it, fly mouse. So click to open. This is the sensitivity for the cursor. Confirm, save. So if we press on the middle mouse click, the cursor will appear. And if we press again the middle mouse click, cursor will disappear. So let's make another behavior of cursor. Open Flydigi app, edit. Let's make this G. Put this in the middle or anywhere where you want your cursor to appear. Click this, fly mouse, press and hold to turn on. And this is the sensitivity of the cursor. Adjust this to your liking, confirm, save. If we press and hold the letter G key, cursor will appear. And if you want the cursor to disappear, release the G key. So that's it. And for this marker, let's key map that. So open Flydigi app, edit. tab, press it on the marker key or the marker button, save. If you press it once,
head to the target.
And if you press it twice,
enemy spotted.
So for consumables and throwables, you can do this. Open Flydigi app, edit, make any button, say number 4, make this click instant, confirm, put this on the arrow up here, then save this first, click the consumable arrow up, open Flydigi app, edit, make another button, 4 again, fly mouse, press 2 and also turn on, adjust the sensitivity of the cursor, confirm, put this on here and make another button, number 4 again, make this click by release, confirm, and put this on the consumable, save. If you press and hold the number 4, you can choose this, and if you release the number 4, you will use the consumable or the health. You can also do that to throwables. To enter and exit the vehicle, open Flydigi app, edit, make button. For me it's T, click this, macro, edit, add one button, put it on the drive, and add another button. This will be 0.09. Confirm and put this on the right icon. Save, click on T. So if ever there's a driver, you'll be the passenger. So for the forward, back, left and right, open Flydigi app, edit, button W, put it on here, S for back, D for right, A for left, save, you can see it's working. So if you want to get out, just drag and drop a button. So edit, as for me it's V. I'll place it on the get out icon, save. If you want to get out, so there you go. So if for some reason the mouse look around is not working, the solution for it is make the cursor appear and make it disappear, and the mouse look around will start working again. So, and also if you have a mouse look around problem when you get out of the vehicle, like this one, and you can't move your mouse, here's what you need to do. Open the Flydigi app. So my vehicle exit button is letter V, so click this, make this click instant, confirm, and save. That's the solution for the mouse look around not working every time you get out of the vehicle. That's all for the key mapping of Project Bloodstrike, and I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. See you in my next video.
Get ready.